Yes, the Supernote does use Android, but you don't have Google Play Store. So if you want Android, you want to go with Boox. Boox while looking for a free write traveler alternative. Which of these are the best for authors writing novels on the go? Definitely the Tab Ultra C. No, okay, that's a hard one, Kate. All right, I'm gonna talk about this for a moment then. Let's dive into this for a minute or so. So the three options are Tab Ultra C. It's got a keyboard case, which is absolutely fabulous, Remarkable, or the Supernote. So if you're like me and you want to like get into the flow of writing long form kind of script, then this is great because it does handwriting recognition in the background. So you don't have to tell it to recognize your handwriting. It's constantly doing that separately, and then you can access that at any time. Love this. It's pretty accurate, but you will need to either export that and go ahead and check your work and edit things. You will need to do that afterwards, or plug in a keyboard or Bluetooth a keyboard to it and do that on there afterwards. There's loads of content. I'm not going to get the keyboard case out now, but this is great because you can write in anything. I don't know if you write in, like, is it Scrivener, the thing that like lets you deal with all your chapters and things like that? Loads of authors like that. This, you could use any app at all. For instance, I'm actually developing 2 of my books are currently sat in draft form in Xtiles because I'm moving I've got my chapters basically, and I can move the order around by moving the tiles around. It's a good time. And then the kind of sleeper of the bunch, now that it has a keyboard case, is the Remarkable. It's a really elegant device, the Remarkable. It used to be just about writing notes, which was good. And then it became about writing notes, handwriting recognition, and the keyboard case. And so that's a really nice place to begin typing your notes, and it goes automatically into landscape view. This might be a good choice. It's a really nice feeling keyboard. If you're an Apple-y person in the kindest possible way, because I'm not, if you're an Apple and other devices things and you just want things to work in a kind of intuitive way, and you like things to have a nice aesthetic to them, Remarkable is a lovely place. I could certainly imagine writing a whole novel on this. I hope that answers your question, Kate. Peggy Lee has come shown and said Supernote's the place to write your novels. Interesting one here. A lot of e-ink pads share very similar features. Which ink device can convert handwritten text to typed text on the fly and allow keyboard indexing? I think Supernote, but not others. Yeah, loads of them can convert handwriting, but the way the Supernote does it in the background is brilliant. It is really, really good. The Boox handwriting recognition has gone through several iterations, and you've just got all the options with Boox because you can do voice recognition as well. So if you want to get things down quickly, it's great. Keyword index, that's great on the Supernote. For keywords, what you can do on Boox is you can search everything, every single folder. You can add tags on Remarkable, which is quite good. So there is loads that you can do. Scrivener is what I use, but it's not Android. Use remote desktop or Word and import it later. I'm so not an Apple person. Sorry. There must be alternatives, apps like Scrivener that you could use on here. I know that Scrivener is very good at importing and exporting in file types that go into other writing apps.